Phones have been buzzing and ringing across the region as that blizzard warning spreads out into a larger area. This from the National Weather Service out of Grand Forks. Blizzard conditions expected from 6 a.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. You can see it in the graph here on the red as we look at Grand Forks from the UND Skycam at 1 p.m. on this Monday. Snow accumulations of 9 to 19 inches, ice accumulations of a light glaze, winds gusting as high as 45 to 50 miles per hour, portions of northwest and west central Minnesota, southeast North Dakota, again from 6 a.m. Tuesday until 7 a.m. Thursday. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. Widespread falling and blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning and evening commutes. Again, a blizzard warning spread across the region now beginning on Tuesday morning. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.